Tiny feelings. Hello, little friends. Today we are learning about little everyday feelings.
Worried. Puppy.
Where is my ball?
His tummy feels tight. He feels worried.
Let's look together. Okay, to the... When I feel worried, I can ask for help. You can? Yeah, let's go find the ball. Okay. See? It's right here. Yay! Thanks!
Impatient. Frog. Waiting feels hard. Let's take a deep breath. 1, 2, 3. Now it's his turn.
Listen! Go, frog! You're so fast!
Surprised. Squirrel.
Squirrel is looking for acorns. Oh, what is this?
A giant acorn!
Squirrel feels surprised.
Wow, this is amazing!
Sometimes surprises can make us smile.
Grateful. Polar bear.
It's so good. Thank you.
I'm glad you like it.
He feels warm inside. Thank you. That feeling is called grateful.
Hopeful. Deer. Not
yet. I can do it. I can try again. I can try again. I can try again. She feels hopeful. Today we learned worry, impatient, surprised, grateful, hopeful. All feelings are okay. Subscribe. See you next time in Tiny Feelings. Little friends, welcome to Tiny Feelings. Today we are learning about feelings at home. Let's see what our animal friends are doing.
panda. Cleaning up.
The room is messy. Panda starts picking up the toys. One toy, two toys, into the basket. Okay, time to clean up. There we go. Cleaning up can feel good. All clean.
Bunny. Missing mom.
Mom is not here right now. I miss Mom, but I'll wait patiently.
Soon the door opens.
Mom is home. When we miss someone, love is still close.
I'm home, my loves.
Yay! We missed you.
Kitten. Loud noise.
Kitten is playing with a little ball. Suddenly, bang! A loud noise comes from outside. What was that? Sometimes loud sounds surprise us, and that's okay.
Mouse. Trying new food.
What is this? It tastes good. Trying new things can be fun.
Penguin. Bedtime calm.
The day is almost over. Penguin is in bed. Penguin feels calm. It is time to sleep. Good night, Penguin. Subscribe. Today we learned about feelings at home, cleaning up, missing someone, loud surprises, trying new things, and bedtime calm. All feelings are okay. See you next time in Tiny Feelings. Bye-bye, little friends. Hello, little friends. Today we are trying new things. So excited. Let's go on an adventure. Yay, new things.
Koala. First day.
It is Koala's first day at school. Hi, I'm Bunny. Wanna play?
Oh, a new friend says hello.
Let's build with these blocks.
Okay. I'd like that.
Let's build something big. This will be the tallest tower. I'll add a yellow block, and I'll put a blue one on top. It's growing so fast. We're a great team.
Trying something new can be fun.
Okay, let's try.
Great, stack it higher.
Wow, it's taller. See? Fun.
Yay, more blocks.
Lion. Speaking up.
All right, class. Who can tell me what this is?
Lion sits with friends. Lion has an idea.
Dia.
Oh, I think I know.
But maybe I'm wrong.
You can do it. Yeah, try.
That's it. Give it a try.
Lion feels a little shy.
It's okay, you can do it.
Okay, I'll try. Yay, let's play together.
Wonderful. Great job, everyone.
Lion raises a paw. It's a question mark.
That's right.
I did it! Yay! Great job!
Great job speaking up, Lion.
Monkey. Taking turns.
Monkey is playing with a toy car. Puppy wants a turn. Hey, woof woof! Monkey thinks. Monkey shares the toy. You monkey, sharing is fun. Your turn! Yay! Spank him! Whee! Taking turns is kind.
Elephant. Helping.
It's too big for me. Duck is carrying a big ball.
Oh, that looks heavy.
Elephant helps with the trunk. Here you go. Helping friends feels good.
Fox. Fixing a mistake.
Time to add some yellow.
no, the paint spills. Fox takes a deep breath. Fox cleans the table. Great job, Fox. The mess is gone. It's okay to make mistakes. Subscribe. Great job, friends. Trying new things helps us grow. See you next time.
Bye-bye, little friends.